Hello guys, this is Amna with Flavor Hour. So today we are making potato pockets. Potato pockets are very tasty, very crispy. You can use them as a snack for your high tea, or you can make them for school days for your kids. They taste really yummy. So let's get started. First, you're gonna take potatoes, cut them into half pieces, and we are gonna boil them. Add 1 teaspoon of salt in the boiling water. Crush the garlic in this traditional crusher. I use it, I love it. It tastes so good. After your garlic is crushed, please check on the potatoes. Our next step is we will boil some noodles. You can use any kind of noodles you want. I prefer the spaghetti ones, and which you use it for making noodles like pasta and stuff. So we would only need just few of them, not a lot of them. Once they're boiled, take them out. Peel your boiled potatoes. Once all of your potatoes are peeled, crush them with potato crusher, or you can do them with your hands, but this is easy. It will make them nice and smooth, so there will be no big chunks of potatoes left in there. Our next step is I will be adding some noodles into potatoes, 1 teaspoon of garlic, almost 2 tablespoons of red hot sauce, crushed pepper 1 tablespoon. You can make less spicy if you want. 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, coriander powder 1 tablespoon, and turmeric as 1 teaspoon. Salt according to taste. Fresh coriander leaves. Mix all of them together. You can break the noodles. So once our mixture is ready, let's prepare our next step. I'm going to take 4 to 5 tablespoons of gram flour, put them in a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of red chili powder. Mix them all together when the ingredients are dry, so the pepper and the salt mixes well in the mixture. Once you add water, sometimes all the spices doesn't get mixed in properly. So I'll be adding some water till my paste is thick, but you don't want too thick or too watery paste, just right in the middle. So let's mix it all up together. As you can see, my paste is just the perfect consistency. I will be taking and making a small balls of my noodles and potato paste, just like that, in my hands. And then after you give them this oval shape, dip them inside the gram flour paste, and we are gonna fry them. You don't have to fry them in oil. If you want, you can bake them as well, or actually air fryer works the best too if you don't want it to be oily. So but I will be frying it here. So fry them all together, 5 to 4 pieces at a time. You don't want them to be all jammed up together on top of each other. Fry them until they're golden brown. As you can see now, their color is very beautiful, golden brown. They're ready to be taken out. They look so good. They turn out actually very crispy and yummy. You should try them. You can make it less spicy if you want. They are ready. I just opened one of them up for you. This is how it looks from inside. They look so tasty, yummy. Please try them, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me thumbs up, leave a comment, and share this video. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye bye.